Hi, this is Michael Schmela, Managing Director of TaiyangNews. I'm very happy and excited to have with me here at the Solar Technology Conference 2026 in New Delhi, Peter Fath, founder and CEO of the RCT Group and a pioneer in the solar sector. We know each other for ages. And Peter is really deeply involved in the success and the boom of the Indian solar sector. He involved in the design of many of the factories that are being built here, and manufacturing was the topic of the conference that has just ended. So Peter, what were your key takeaways of this event?
So thanks, Michael. I mean, the event was fantastic. It was a gathering of the who is who of the Indian sector, and also machine makers joined, technology providers joined, analysts joined. It was really a fantastic gathering of the who is who. We could see that India is catching up. India wants to be the second manufacturing hub after China, serving India, serving the world. I think there's a lot of truth behind it. It will come. Of course, this year will be very challenging because there are a lot of capacities will come online, especially in cell factory. But I'm totally positive on this event. It shows the enthusiasm, it shows passion, it shows they're brave. So I'm really excited, and I think India has a bright future.
Thank you, Peter. And yeah, we're looking forward to build this platform, and we'll come back next year. Thanks a lot for your support.
My pleasure.